Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss blockchain technology, which has been a hot topic of discussion for the past few years. You must have already heard about blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin. But beyond just digital currencies, there are many other aspects to this. We'll look at all those things separately in this video. What is blockchain? How does it work? And what are the applications of blockchain? Let's find out. First, what is blockchain? Blockchain is one of the biggest revolutions that has happened in digital technology. Now, in many industries, blockchain has become an integral part. Blockchain is decentralized, and all the transactions happening between multiple computers are recorded in a digital ledger. In the record called the ledger, all records like accounts, transactions, and data are stored. Earlier, ledgers were used only in banks. All the transactions happening in the bank are recorded in the ledger. However, this ledger is centralized, meaning the control of the ledger will be with the bank only. But in blockchain, this concept is completely changed. Instead of a single central authority managing the ledger, with blockchain, the ledger can be managed by all the computers themselves. So because of this, the data will be secure, transparent, and virtually tamper-proof. Next, let's see how blockchain works. To understand how blockchain works, you need to know about 5 key components. For example, in blockchain, assume that each block contains a list of transactions or data. Once a block is filled with transactions or data, it is sealed and then linked to the previous block. So, by linking like this again and again, it forms a chain. Each block will be unique. The set of data in one block will not be present in another block. In traditional systems, data is stored in a central location. But blockchain is decentralized. The ledger will be distributed through nodes. So, the entire control of the blockchain will not be with a single entity. Because of this, blockchain will be highly secure and transparent. Before adding a new block in the blockchain, the network has to agree on its validity. Only then can the new CAN. This agreement can be achieved efficiently through consensus mechanisms. Consensus is basically a kind of agreement among the participants. I bought this little thing, hoping it would be a good one, and I prepared it for that purpose. The most common mechanism is the proof of work, or POW. In this, computers validate transactions by solving complex mathematical problems. Another mechanism is proof of stake, or POS. It is very important to maintain these two consensus mechanisms and the integrity of the blockchain. The most powerful feature of blockchain is its immutability. Once data is added to the blockchain, it cannot be deleted. Through cryptographic hashing, each block gets a unique hash value generated based on the data inside it. Because of this, transactions are secured and no changes can be made. All transactions are recorded. The growth of blockchain is largely due to its transparency. Transactions are recorded in a public ledger, and this public ledger is visible to everyone who accesses the blockchain. However, as per the rules of the blockchain, even though transactions are transparent, the identities of the participants remain anonymous. All the transactions are absolutely and completely secure and protected at all times. So, everything will remain safe and secure at all times. Is it really safe? Yes, the system has built-in mechanisms to prevent any kind of tampering. With the help of blockchain, it is possible to track where the goods are and how they are being handled. So, transparency will increase, fraudulent activities will decrease, and industries like logistics, manufacturing, and retail can easily implement this system. Just think about it. Even in the voting system, blockchain can be implemented to make the voting process transparent and secure, and blockchain will definitely help prevent tampering and ensure the integrity of the results. With blockchain, you can monitor and manage everything through blockchain itself. In any case, we can ensure that the rule of law is not affected. So now, with this kind of security, why is it possible for even small organizations to use it? That is because it can be integrated into all the groups and systems in the bank as well. The work that is carried out by the father and the son, which refers to their efforts, actions, and contributions, is an important aspect that highlights the roles and responsibilities they each fulfill together as part of their shared purpose. Try to act quickly for the sake of the work. In our organization, continuous action is essential, and we must keep working consistently to achieve our goals without any interruption. Move forward together.